What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title and also the wig that is on my head, I have another wig review for you guys, and yes, I am excited. So this is actually where's the stock card? There we go. This is the Sensationnel Empress lace wig, lace front edge in the style Trissa. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I got her in the color number 1. So before I even start on the specs and the details and all that fun stuff, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you guys will see more from your girl, and also don't forget to press that bell notification button so you guys will be notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get started. So like I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, this is the Sensationnel Empress wig in the style Trissa. And I got her in the color number 1, and honestly I just wanted to go back. I always love jet black. Don't get me wrong, I love experimenting with different colors, but jet black is like the homie. Like jet black is like your safe color, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I got her to color number 1. It does live up to its name, as you guys can see on camera. It's this very cute, you know, like virgin hair dupe, like wavy, like Brazilian curled hair, something like that, you know, something cute for a date night or if you're going out with your friends and all that fun stuff. I could definitely say though, like on the stock card compared to how I'm wearing the hair does look thicker. That gets some focus. But like me personally, I'm the type of person that I like to look at other people's wig reviews before I even decide to purchase a wig, because if a wig is trash, why am I even gonna waste my time doing a review on it or anything like that? So yeah, a couple of people that I saw in their reviews have said that this hair tends to really like mat up after a couple of days, and I feel like that's the major thing that happens when you brush through it a lot. So that's why I really didn't do too much with the curls, as you guys can see. And while I'm on the topic of how the hair looks, this is about how long the hair falls on me. So it's like right where my boob is. And if anybody didn't, just dropped my phone, but that's cool. Anyway, so if you guys didn't know, I'm currently 5'6", and that's about where it falls on me. So if you're a little bit shorter than me or a little bit taller, I feel like this wig will still be pretty manageable for you when it comes to length. Let me see what else. Oh, so I've been actually wearing this wig. This is actually day 2 of me wearing this wig, because funny thing, I actually still need to sit down and do the wig update for the last wig, which was a straight blonde unit that I've been wearing the last couple of videos. But anyway, so I still have to do the update for that. But basically, y'all see when I upload. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to just plop this unit on. So I really didn't get a chance to do too much customizing to it, because it was kind of like a split decision thing. Like, you know what, I'm tired of wearing this wig. Let me just toss it to the side and plop this bad boy on. Like, I literally had like 5 minutes to put this hair on, cut the lace and all that stuff. But I did make sure that I got some clips for you guys so you guys can actually see what the wig looks like before I even cut the lace or manipulate the curls or anything like that. So as you guys can see from the clip, the parting space is really nice. I do like the fact that for the most part, if you want to go in and pluck it some more, you can if you want, but it's not really necessary for people that are, you know, a little on the lazy side, like, I don't want to do too much to a unit right now, or just like me, where you just kind of just made a split decision to plop the wig on. You don't really have enough time. And also, I didn't put any powder on this wig purposely, just because I wanted you guys to really see how good the lace matches with my skin. Like, y'all, if there was a way for me to bleach the knots, that would be amazing, because look how good that looks. There's a slight line of demarcation if you're like all up in my scalp, but it's pretty darn good. And mind you, the only thing I have on is a nude wig cap underneath. That's it. So I feel like that is very, very, very impressive. Again, this is what the part looks like on my head with just a new cap underneath. I didn't put any powder or anything on that, just because I can't find it for whatever reason, so I gotta look for it. But for the most part, it still looks really good. Like, I'm very, very, very impressed with how this cap is constructed. Again, I always lay my lace front wigs with my Got To Be glue gel. So don't just click on my video thinking that this wig is just gonna automatically lay flat. I do use Got To Be glue gel to help it lay flat and be a little bit somewhat more natural. This hair does come with 2 combs in the front and also a wig in the back with adjustable straps. I do feel as though that this wig is big head friendly. I feel like if you have a big, like I have a small head, I got a peanut head, okay? So I like wearing like nice thick hair to kind of accommodate for like the head to body ratio. But anyways, so I really like that. So definitely if you have a bigger head than me, this is gonna fit you. It's just gonna fit a little bit snug. You're not really gonna have to really use the adjustable straps at all. But if you do have a small head like me, there's the adjustable straps, so it'll help you. And again, I like to use Got To Be glue gel, so God forbid if I get in a fight with somebody, you know, it's gonna take a little bit to rip off, okay? Like you ain't gonna be snatching me and it's gonna be flopping to the left and to the right. Like it's a little snug, it's secure, okay? Now once again, I ordered this hair off of samsbeauty.com. Again, that is my go-to website whenever I do buy my wigs. God forbid if it's sold out on Sam's Beauty, then I move on to wig types if anybody wanted to know. And also Sam's Beauty offers you the flat $4.99 shipping, so basically $5 shipping if you spend $30 or more on your overall, you know, total order, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, so this wig was actually $21.99. I did see in a couple reviews like other people pay like $25, $27, even $30. So again, it depends on where you decide to shop. But yeah, so this is day 2 of me wearing this hair. It is currently 6 o'clock. I did work earlier today. I worked like 11 to 3, so it wasn't like a crazy long shift or anything like that. Again, I'm not running and brushing my hands through this hair a lot because again, people have said in other reviews that I've watched that this hair tends to mat up and tangle. Well, not mat up, but a lot of people say this hair tangles. I feel as though it's because of the fact that especially with like curl patterns like this, it's formed and shaped to be a specific way. So if you manipulate it too much, it's gonna kind of fight you. It's kind of like quicksand in a way. Like you keep trying to fight quicksand and it gets worse, that type of thing. So that's the vibe I'm getting for this wig. Honestly, I haven't had any issues with this wig. Cutting the lace was easy. I got maybe like 3-4 strands of hair after cutting the lace. Other than that, again, I don't run my hands through it. There's no shedding, nothing crazy like that. So I definitely am feeling this wig right now. Of course, in about 2 weeks, I will let you guys know my final thoughts on this wig before I switch to another one, because I already have another one in my closet just waiting for me to bust out and wear. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If there's any questions or any additional questions that you had that I happen to not answer in this video, please don't hesitate to comment down below and like this video up. And yeah, again, like I said in the beginning of the video, do not forget to click that subscribe button, because again, not only do I do initial reviews, but I also do wig updates, because trust and believe, some of my updates will save you guys some coins. Like some of you guys may be shocked, like, dang, this wig looks so pretty. Like, are you sure that it's acting like this after 2 weeks? And yes, sis, I am sure. Ain't nobody paying me nothing to say anything. And even if they were paying me, I would be honest, at the end of the day, I refuse to waste my money on a crappy wig. I'm just saying. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.